stock car, she does not look angled. She just looks like a wig that I would not never pick up. Like,
sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing and slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost.
It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the track. Hey. Hey y'all, thanks for dropping by my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the track. Yes, we back y'all. I got another synthetic wig review for y'all, period. This one is bomb.com. okay, like at first I was like, ooh, not really feeling this one, like y'all, like not feeling her, but like she's coming around on the girl. Like I'm really feeling this one, okay, like I was just joking with my girlfriend. Anytime I can get that little ear tuck on a short wig, popping. Like I really like this one. If you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a big old thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey to the top. And while y'all down there, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. So let's go ahead and jump into this wig review, y'all. This is gonna be quick, short, and simple because this one was super easy to throw on and go. Okay, so this unit was provided to me by Sensationnel. This is one of their newer units, I believe. So I'll leave all the links down below for different retailers where y'all can get it. Y'all can order this online multiple places if they're sold out, so check the description box. I will leave all the links down below, so do that. So let's talk about it. So this is Sensationnel. This is part of the Dashly collection. They have a like a whole bunch of series inside of Sensationnel. This one is called Dashly, where it's it says fast fashion meets hair. So they try and make like new trendy units that are like everyday wear and stuff like that. So this specific one I have is lace unit 16. These units, they have like numbers and stuff. So this one is 16 and I have her in the color 1, y'all. So a little bit about this. Y'all see I got my little stock card here. I'm about to get into details on this one. So it says it is a wet and wavy style, you guys. That is definitely true. When I got this unit and when I like combed her out, this unit was super like tight and coiled, and the way that they had the coils, like it's very crispy. It was like some type of product was on it, or hairspray or something, because the waves were like very tight and crisp, honey. So I had to get my fingers, get a little finger combing on action on this one. I highly recommend that because it you know, gives the volume, gives the wig a little bit of volume, and it makes it look a little bit more natural, in case you weren't liking that kind of condensed style, which I wasn't, not gonna cap, didn't like it. So yeah, this one is like bomb. So it says it has a deep side part with baby hair, y'all. That is definitely true. The side part is very deep, as I'm able to get that kind of look on the side and stuff. And then the baby hairs, girl, the baby hairs was too much. I had to take my hot comb and kind of like get them out the way, and then I had to hairspray them out the way. So the baby hairs are there and they're very deep. So let's talk about the hairline really quick, and the cap. Phew. Let's talk about the hairline and the cap construction on this unit. So the hairline, it's kind of pre-plucked, but it's still synthetic-y because the knots are super uniform and black. So you can definitely tell this is a synthetic unit when you get up close. Let me have that zoom in. Let me cover my face and having it zoom in on this dang on lace. You can definitely see, y'all know what I'm talking about, when it's very uniform and it's black knots. That is very clockable on this unit, but it's not bad. It's not bad. This also is not a unit that you can glue from ear to ear. It's not like that. This is just like a part unit that you can wear. You know what I'm saying? I did do a little few baby hairs in the front just to make her look less wiggy, and then I went ahead and tucked that bad boy like so. to make her just, you know, be my kind of wig, okay? Because I told y'all I was scared of this one. I done held off so long. I was just like, ooh, I know I'm not gonna like it, but I honestly wound up liking it, loving it, like, girl. So also on this one, it says ear to ear soft lace, but it's not enough to be able to melt it down. If you guys know what I'm talking about. She's like big head associate because my sideburns are out, but it's not bad because I just did like a little swoop of my own natural hair just to kind of like get everything to come together. So yeah, I just like finessed it a little bit, okay? It says an essential addition to your wig stash. Definitely agree with that one. This is like my third or fourth Dashley unit, and like, girl, I agree. It says made with heat resistant fibers, available in fashion forward colors. They also sent me this little wig, this little thing right here, which shows you guys the different colors that the wigs come in. So these come in a variety of colors, especially those bright colors of 613s and ones with dark roots and stuff. So yeah, these are real. This is, yeah. I love when they send a little swatch card. That's like so cool. And then it says dress it up or dress it down. So yeah, I can y'all see I done dressed it down. I'm more casual, but it's still a slay. Like, this is gonna be a unit I'm keeping for sure, okay? It's almost giving me like a Camille's cousin. Y'all know I'm like a fan of Camille, but this one is like Camille's cousin, like distant cousin or whatever. This one has minimal shading also. There is shading, but it's very minimal, especially when I finger comb the whole unit out. I also do want to note that she is angled. On the stock card, she does not look angled. She just looks like a wig that I would never pick up. Like, this wig looks, the stock card looks like something I would never pick up like in 1,000 years. I'm sorry, but like, it's real cute. I really like the way that this one is. I have no complaints, no cons. This is definitely worth the purchase, okay? So make sure you guys check this one out. Definitely tag me if y'all rock this. Definitely tag me if y'all gonna rock this one, because I would love to see it, okay? And that wraps it up for this wig review. Like I told y'all, it was gonna be real short and sweet and to the point, because like, this one is a banger, okay? Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Would y'all wear this one, yes or no? And as always, thanks for watching.